it there. There's so many other reasons to get one of these guys, but less talk, more ride, right? Let's get back on this baby. Let's do a couple more little twisties. I put my kickstand up? Sure hope I did. Yes. Riding to continue. Look at this. I love this view. It's so good. On a crystal clear panoramic day, that is amazing. And these guys working up on this hill, they're putting in some work, and you guys are brave. That's a long fall. Ooh, some tree bits in the road. Probably fell down from them working on the hill. Alrighty. Let's go this way. A little bit more twisties. Yeah, learned this one the hard way the other day. There is a random speed bump here. Oh, oops. I left it in third gear. That was such a noob move. See, here is an arguably better view. Maybe if I don't go where the electrical wires are, that'd be a better view. Look at that. Panoramic, man. I put a tree right in my view. I'm sure, yeah, everybody's thrilled about that. Look at this. This lake is beautiful. It's awesome. There's boats on the lake.